Welcome to our channel. Today we how to optimize online courses with CreativeLive step by step clearly. Begin by defining your target audience. Identify the specific skill sets or knowledge you want to teach. Research your audience's needs and preferences through surveys or forums. Select a clear and compelling course topic. Break down the topic into manageable modules or lessons. Outline the content of each module in detail. Choose a format for your lessons, such as video, quizzes, or interactive activities. Gather resources and materials needed for your course, including visual aids and readings. Create engaging video content that highlights your teaching style and expertise. Use CreativeLive's platform tools to enhance your video quality and production. Incorporate storytelling techniques to make the content relatable and memorable. Position key points prominently to enhance learner retention. Design quizzes or assignments that encourage active engagement. Utilize discussion boards to foster community and interaction among learners. Schedule live Q&A sessions to address learner questions in real time. Promote your course effectively via social media and email marketing. Analyze feedback from your audience to continuously improve your course. Regularly update your material to keep it relevant and fresh. Leverage analytics tools provided by CreativeLive to monitor learner progress. Consider offering certifications to enhance the appeal of completing your course. Collaborate with other educators or industry experts to expand your course offerings. Establish a marketing strategy that highlights unique features of your course. Encourage testimonials from students to build credibility. Maintain communication with your audience post-course for ongoing relationship building. And finally, celebrate your course launch and the learning journey. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.